Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's see if we can get a winner. Top spot gets an XP Deus. Somebody's going to be happy. We are live. 645. 645. List here. We have 8 entries. Bruno on the top, Bruno on the bottom. We need 2 dice. 5 or higher. We got 8 times at 645. Let's begin. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7 times, we got Bruno on the top. We must go 8. Good luck wish at 645. 645. Last and final roll. Top spot gets a new machine. Congratulations goes to Spot 2, Steven. Congratulations, Steven. We are done at 648. 646. 646. Congratulations again, Steve. Send me a PM and I'll get this out to you as soon as possible. So everyone else, thanks for playing. Have a good night. Take care.